Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So it's been really long that I haven't come on this part of my terrace, and you can see it is completely dirty. I've just moved all the pots and I'm going to clean off the entire area over here. A lot of weed growing because I didn't get a chance to come here ever since I came back from my vacation. I have some caladiums, probably they are not in a very good state. I'll have to take care of them, and most of the caladiums over here have got dried out, so I'll have to check it out. But something that I wanted to show you is when I just came here to clean this place, I happened to notice that probably I had left one of my succulent over here. Usually whenever I purchase new succulents, I leave them over here because here there is a good amount of indirect bright light. There is no strong sunlight, and this is kind of a quarantine area, and I completely forgot about this succulent over here, and today I happened to notice it, so I'm going to move it off because I think it's been almost a month and a half, or probably 2 months, but the succulent is in its best condition. It did get a little bit of water from the rain, so that's why it's still in a good condition. So I'm going to move it off. You can see it looks absolutely beautiful. It is another dusty rose that I had purchased a couple of months back and completely forgot about it, but it looks absolutely beautiful. So I'll move it now because it looks like it's completely quarantined. In fact, it's been more time that it has been quarantined over here. Ideally I don't quarantine my succulents for 2 to 3 months, but this has been really long. So thankfully it is still in a very good condition. I was quite surprised to see it over here because you can see this is a completely messed up area. These plastics, I tend to use it for covering of my foliage plants. After I do a lot of cuttings, I cover them up with a plastic sheet. So even that has come off because of the strong wind. There was a lot of wind a month back, and I think that's when everything has fallen down. You can also see a lot of weeds. The plastic lids, everything is haywire. All of my pots are fallen down, so I'll have to sit and clean all of this area. But I just wanted to show you this beautiful succulent. I will put it back. I think I'll have to acclimate it a bit slow because here it receives only indirect bright light. It's not completely ready for morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours in one go, so I'll have to do a very slow acclimation. So that's all about it. Dusty rose is one of the most beautiful echeveria that one can have. These colors are not intense because, as I said, it's an indirect bright light. As and when it starts getting a good amount of indirect bright light, the colors tend to look absolutely beautiful. I'll try to put an image of how the color tends to look like as and when it gets stressed. And the same thing goes with the other side as well. This is more of the plumbing station of the apartment, and I had left some few succulents over here as well. You can see they have kind of been neglected. This is completely taken over by some weeds, but you can see there was a dancing bone cactus in this. You can see this, and some of the echeveria prolifica, some more echeverias, the melaco, a couple of them over here. I'll have to clean this place. Again, it's been really long that I've come over here. Sometimes I just forget where do I leave my succulents, but luckily they are doing quite good. Some more over here. I think I had left my haworthias also over here. You can see this, a bunch of pups on my haworthia. Another varieties over here, and there's another, I think it is that's a titubans. And then you have the haworthia limifolia, the mother plant. It's completely filled with weeds. I'll have to clean that off. There is a bloom coming up. A lot of again, they have a lot of pups. You can see this. There's some pup over here. There are a couple over here. She has given me a lot of pups this year, so I'll have to clean up this place and check it out once again. This is another purple delight, mother of 1,000, and she has put up all the pups everywhere. You can see that in between. And let's clean this up after some time. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.